You may be looking in the mirror and asking, why are my gums swollen? Even if you think you are doing everything right, your sore gums may be a symptom of gum disease. If you visit your dentist, he or she may say that you have periodontal disease. What does this mean? It depends on the severity of your gum disease. Number 1. Brush at least 2x a day. The general and ideal rule for brushing is after each meal or snack, but for many people, that's not feasible. Brushing your teeth at least twice a day for around 2 minutes can help prevent swollen gums. Do not forget to use the proper brushing technique. Number 2. Apply ice. If the wisdom tooth pain is the result of swelling, applying an ice pack may be able to help. Simply use a commercial ice pack or put some ice in a plastic baggie, wrap it in a towel and apply it to the swollen area. Not only will this relieve some of the pain, but it will also help the inflammation go down. Number 3. Eat a well-balanced diet. If you are wondering how to reduce swelling on your gum line, eating a well-balanced diet is one of the easiest ways to prevent swollen gums. While there are many essential vitamins and minerals to get each day, vitamin C is particularly beneficial to gum health. This vitamin strengthens your gums and the soft tissue in your mouth. It can also protect against gum disease. Want to eat something more than citrus? Potatoes and leafy greens are other good sources of vitamin C. Number 4. Clove. Clove may be the best kept secret when it comes to relieving tooth pain. It is one of the only home remedies that packs a 1-2 punch. First, the pain is numbed thanks to clove's anesthetic properties, while an infection is prevented because of the antibacterial and antiseptic qualities. Take some clove oil and put it on a cotton ball. Hold the cotton ball on directly on the tooth and the gums immediately surrounding the tooth. Hold the cotton ball in place until the pain subsides. For some people, the flavor of clove oil is too strong. If you find this to be the case, mix it with a little bit of olive oil. This dilutes the clove oil, making it milder. Repeat this treatment several times per day on an as-needed basis. Number 5. Drink plenty of water. We always hear how important it is to drink enough water throughout the day. If you are not getting the recommended amount, you may want to boost your intake. Not only does water help to flush food particles from your teeth, but it can also promote saliva production, which is good for dental health. Number 6. Guava leaves. If you're experiencing a lot of wisdom tooth pain, guava fruit will be your best friend. Guava leaves are great for pain relievers. The leaves from guava fruit contain antispasm properties. Guava leaves also have features that are antibacterial and disinfecting qualities. Guava leaves can be applied by simply chewing them slowly in your mouth. The juices will then be released, taking effect within minutes. The other option would be to make 5-7 leaves and boil them in a pot for about 5 minutes. Once the water cools down, you can use the liquid as the mouthwash. Number 7. Baking soda. Many people who suffer from swollen gums use baking soda as a home remedy to treat it. Being an antiseptic and antibacterial, baking soda treats the infection causing the swelling. It also reduces the inflammation of your gums and soothes the tender skin. Number 8. Salt water. A salt water treatment is an effective swollen gums home remedy that is easy and convenient. Rinse your mouth with a solution of salt and lukewarm water, twice a day. Use about 1 teaspoon of salt. You can also rub your gums with salt after you've brushed your teeth. Do not leave the salt on your gums too long, just a few seconds. Rinse with warm water and do only once a day. It can also be used as a preventative after your gums are healthy. Number 9. Garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin which imparts antimicrobial properties. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food tested allicin against dental caries and periodontitis. It was found to be effective against all the tested bacteria. Crush 1 clove of garlic and mix with the same volume of honey or coconut oil to form a paste. Let it sit for minutes and then apply to the gums. Number 10. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is gaining in popularity and is a great home remedy for dental health. Put 1 tablespoon of sesame, coconut, or olive oil in your mouth. Never gargle or swallow the oil. Swish around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes, spit out the oil in the garbage, rinse with warm water, and brush your teeth. Do this once a day,